Welcome back, guys. Today I'm here with OQHAIR. So let's go ahead and get into the package. It says crown yourself queen of hair today. All right, it's a very cute packaging, very clean, very professional. Of course, I'm seeing the hair first, which we're gonna get into. I also got some goodies. I got a pair of lashes. I got this pair of HD wig caps. I got a elastic headband, which is branded. Information booklet, you know, all the information you need to know and stuff. And then finally I got this elastic adjustable elastic headband inside, and that's everything comes in the package. This is today's wig, guys. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. This is actually OQHAIR M-Cap 1 curl pre-cut 9x6 HD lace Wear Go Glueless wig. It's 100% human hair and it's pre-bleached. Okay, it's pre-customized, pre-everything. As I say, it's a Wear Go, a 9x6. You have a lot of lace space to work with. You could style this different ways, like a nice deep side part. You could do like braids in the center. You could do a center part. There are endless ways. There's this adjustable strap inside the cap, which is branded, and it also has a total of 3 combs, which are all removable. Okay, that's nice. And there's a curve at the ear portion. The pre-curls in this, oh my gosh, is so nice. The hair is really silky and soft. So natural 1B color, very full, by the way. All right, I'm gonna put the specific length of this wig down in my description box so you guys can go ahead and check it. They say this is 26 inches. It is very long once I stretch it, so you know that these curls are really tight and nice, and the hair is really full. So yeah, check down below for all the specification, all the density and everything like that. Let's go ahead and slip on this gorgeous wig. I slipped that on and it is down. Let me give it a shake test so you can see how secure this is. Oh my gosh, that is too nice. So the lace, I know you can see a bit of a cast. You guys know the vibes, you know the drill. I'm gonna go in with some face powder to just have that look more blended and melted, and then I'm gonna just take the headband to have it really seep down. And I'm also gonna go do a quick glam, so I'm gonna do that and I'm gonna come right back. This is how we're looking. Looks pretty good. Before I move any further, let me remind you guys that you could go ahead and feel free to style this different ways. So you see, you have a lot of space working with. Absolutely love that. So I want to definitely like get the front piece, like, you know, the bangs looking more uniform. But first, before I move to that, I'm gonna get the top flatter. So of course I'm getting my PS Lux hair wax stick. Okay, so I'm gonna get into that, get that nice and flat. Run through that area really nice and thorough.
And I wanna go crazy with you through the night till the sun come up. Let's do it all for love. Cause we're deep for any pop water. I never wanna lose this. So you might belong. This must be love.
Jordan, 𝐌-𝐂.
make you back in someone can hold on to. Girl, you know care I did for you. I go run the matter for me and you. Make I be the reason you believe in true love.
Guys, I'm just loving the density of this wig so far. I just recurl the front because it's gonna fall beautifully in with the rest of the curls. So I just did the front, as you can see, and then we got the bangs. Okay, yeah. And then I'm just gonna use my hands to fluff the rest of the hair. This is just too gorgeous. This is such a classy like look to me. Like, it's such a classy look. So these curls, as I said, they're really tight because, as I say, the hair is actually lengthy because the curls are done so tight, you know. It's like super fluffy, and you can have that like big fluffy curly vibe. It's like really nice. Just take your hands and fluff it to your desired look. I'm definitely getting shedding. I just need you guys to know that. I wish it was a little less, but this is how the hair looks so far. Oh my gosh, that's gorgeous. OQ is coming through with quality, and I love that. I love how everything is done for the most part already. You guys know I love to show you guys these type of wigs as well. It definitely, I know it makes your life easier if you're looking into an easier option for a wig. Yeah, this is definitely one of them. Okay, so OQ definitely did that. I would 10 out of 10 recommend if you're looking for that gorgeous, classy, very classy put on and go kind of wig. This is it. I'm gonna be sure to put the direct link to this wig in my description box, so please go ahead and check it out. If you're interested, that's where you can go ahead and click it to purchase this wig. All the specifications will be listed down below. But yeah, that's it for today's wig look. I really hope you guys found this informative. It's so cute. It's such a cute look, so cute. I feel like you go to that big that event that's so special to you in a look like this. It's just doing it. So yeah, that's it for today's wig look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go and make up on yourself. Bye.